Good morning, dear students. Here we are going to discuss about registers and counters. And this is Kavita, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and INVH Regional Campus, Tirunelveli. First, let us see what is a register. Registers are clocked sequential circuits. A register is a group of flip-flops, each flip-flop capable of storing one bit of information. An n-bit register consists of n flip-flops capable of storing n bits of information. Besides flip-flops, a register usually consists combinational logic to perform some simple tasks. In summary, flip-flops to hold information, combinational logic is to control the state transition. Next, we are going to see what is a counter. A counter is essentially a register that goes through a predetermined sequence of states, that is counting sequence. The uses of registers and counters are: registers are useful for storing and manipulating information. Internal registers in microprocessor to manipulate data. Counters are extensively used in control logic, that is programmable counter which is used in microprocessors. Thank you.